Riley Ishimaru got over 500 internship rejections. No technical background, just 2 part-time high school jobs. She did 3 externships. Those turned into internships at GE Aerospace, BMW, Southern California Edison, and Hunters Roberts Construction. And now she's incoming at Microsoft. From 3 externships to Microsoft, her 5th internship. Today, I'm going to walk you through what an externship actually is, what you get inside the Extern membership, and how students like Riley are using this to build careers that would have taken years to figure out on their own. So let me just explain what this is, because I know there's confusion. An externship is a remote, hands-on project with a real company. You sign up on Extern for any externship you want. You'll be part of a global cohort with a mentor, and over the course of 8 weeks, you'll learn to deliver a real work project you can add to your resume. Not a simulation, not a case study. Real projects for real companies. Extern works as a career membership. You sign up and you get access to everything. A library of externships with real companies across industries, training resources, live career events, a global community with over 27,000 members, mentors, and alums, and a professional award you can put on a LinkedIn that employers can verify. Right now, you can do marketing with TikTok, finance with HP Tech Ventures, AI with Wayfair, data with Beats by Dre, design with Canva, analytics with Amazon. You pick the one that fits what you want to do. And here's the part that trips people up. There's no application, no GPA filter, no interview. You sign up and you start. That's it. Why? Because our mission is access. And there's nothing that matters more to employers than real experience. Experience shouldn't be gatekept. Let me show you what this actually looks like inside. This is what a project brief looks like. You get a real business problem from a real company. You have milestones, deadlines, and a mentor from that company who reviews your work. Victoria Nguyen did 4 externships. She analyzed over 25 data sets with Excel and Python, ran over 15 user interviews, and built dashboards and competitive strategies across Beats by Dre, pre-dev, and more. Azaya Hafiz learned Python through her Amazon externship and built social strategy and content systems for a real clothing brand through TikTok. Dakarai Young built a slide deck that he pulled up in his EY interview. They were so impressed they hired him. That first experience snowballed into Dell, Google, the NBA, and now Microsoft. He landed Fortune 500 internships every year in college, thanks to Extern. These are real projects you walk away with. They go on your resume, they go in your portfolio. And when an interviewer asks, tell me about a time you have something real to talk about. You can learn finance, marketing, AI, data analytics, and so much more with the latest industry tools and mentors like the VP of Engineering from the parent company of the Wall Street Journal or the head of Global Insights at Beats by Dre. The externship gets all the attention, but honestly, some of the most valuable stuff is everything around it. Every week, there are live events, not webinars where someone reads slides at you, real sessions. These are included in your membership. You don't pay extra. And then there's the career community, over 27,000 members on Slack, mentors, alums who've been through it, people who will answer your questions and hype you up when you need it. That network compounds. Sai Saravia said the connections she made during her Canva externship were just as valuable as the skills she learned. We hear that over and over. Okay, let's talk about the elephant in the room. I see this question constantly.
Am I paying to work for a company?
No. You're paying for a career membership that includes externships, events, mentors, community, and real experience future recruiters can verify. The company is not your employer. You're not being competitively selected. You're not doing their job for them. You're building your own portfolio and learning to use industry standard tools using their real projects as a canvas. Think about it this way. You spent tens of thousands on a degree. That gave you theory. This gives you the project, the skills, the company name, the mentor, and the portfolio piece that actually gets you hired. And it costs the same as Netflix, less than your monthly boba run. Here's what actually happens. Don't take my word for it. 74% of externs land a job or internship in their field within 12 months. Justin Doyle commented on one of our TikToks last December. I'm not paying money to work for a company for free. A month later, he commented again. I actually folded. I'm currently doing it. These aren't hypotheticals. These are students who signed up, did the work, and walked away with something real. Let me walk you through exactly how to start. Step 1, go to extern.com. Sign up, no application, no GPA, no gatekeeping. Step 2, you get a 7-day free trial. Browse the externships, check out the events, join the Slack community, get a feel for everything. Step 3, pick an externship that fits what you want to do. Finance, marketing, product, data, AI, consulting. Join the cohort, start building. Step 4, do the work. You'll have a mentor, a cohort, milestones, and a deadline. At the end, you'll have a portfolio piece, a company name on your resume, and a professional award employers can verify. That's it. No tricks, no hidden fees, no application process. This is for you if you're a student or a recent grad who wants real experience but can't get anyone to give you a chance. If you're tired of applying to internships and getting ghosted. If you're worried about AI and want to learn the tools that are actually getting people hired right now. If you want a company name on your resume, not just a GPA. If you're a career switcher who needs to build a portfolio in a new field. This is not for you if you want someone to hand you a job. Nobody's going to do that. But if you're willing to put in the work, Extern gives you the project, the mentors, and the work employers can verify. Praise started with one externship and ended up at Google. Praise went from zero tech experience to AI engineer. Caleb's freshman externship took him to JP Morgan. Devin got hired directly from his externship pitch. They all started the same way. They signed up and started building. Your first 7 days are free. No application, no risk, just real experience with real companies. Go to extern.com, start your free trial, and if you have any questions, honestly, just DM us. We're real people and we're rooting for you.